Howdy, folks. It's Handsome. And today, you're going to hit that like, you're going to hit that subscribe, you're going to leave a boy a comment. But we have a repair tech review today on the fairly new Sony A1 II. This was released, I think, November 19th, something like that. Man, that was right before my birthday. Who'd have thunk it? It slipped my mind. I did it for the A9 III, the A7 V. Then A1 II is popped on my desk for a repair that you'll probably see on my channel. What better time than now to do a repair tech review on the Sony A1 II. I'm loving how round the grip is, because the other A7 IVs and stuff, man, they have a pointy grip. It just doesn't feel native to my type of grip. It's more of a fired. So I grabbed the grip. Oh, that button placement. Come on now. I mean, I guess that could be convenient, but you could easily hit that. Oh, I see a golden eagle. Oh, now I went to macro mode. Crap. It's pretty heavy. But it's a lot of technology in this thing, apparently. Not going to sit here and go into the specs, because with my reviews, I want to see what's underneath all of this. I want to see you naked. And the sensor looks massive. It looks like a sensor, y'all. Doing a great job. I want to see what the board looks like. Let's look at the port layout. Full size HDMI. Man, there's a lot of ports. Is that Ethernet right there? Yeah, that's that Ethernet. What is this? Okay, you still got the multi on there. Jesus. Can we just do 2 USB-Cs? I mean, who's still using that? Who? All that good stuff right there. I can't wait to take you out. Let's stop playing around. Let's go to handsomeshop.com. Let's buy us some tools. These are stocking stuffers for, you know what I'm saying? Come on now. Yiggle. All right, let's get to taking a pod. Make sure the battery's out. Y'all like my mat? Shout out to all the super things that people gave. It goes back into this channel. So donate some more. I'll get better lights. Maybe I'll get another camera for 2 angles. Can't wait to see what's in here. Now we're gonna hit this panel. What is it? There's only 4 screws holding this in? No way. I think I just broke my tip. This is why you keep 2. The only one I have is my extendo. What the heck is going on here? Calling the reinforcements. Whoa. Flatheads. Are you kidding me right now? You broke the flathead? Come on. This is getting a little disturbing right here. I mean, that one comes off, and they're just the little screws, dude. That was uncalled for. It's a great start. Great start. Oh, so that... No way. Okay. So you're hanging on for dear life, huh, boy? Better hang on to your britches. Usually the outer ones are longer, but not now. The inner 4. I guarantee underneath here, at least they kept that the same. About to take your skirt off. Took your skirt off. Man. They definitely incorporated the A9 III new plastic piece. Gotta save on production somewhere, right? Man, y'all be putting stuff on that camera on a tripod. That crazy. That crazy. That looks like gaff tape. Can't wait to see what that is. We're gonna take you out real quick. All right, where's the screws at on here, huh? No screws on the. Okay, Sony, I see you, baby boy. All right, let's go. Yeah, so there is a little hidden screw underneath the bottom plate. The A7 IV and A7 III and the A7 V, you can just pop the back off without even taking the bottom plate off if you don't need to. But with the A1 II, you're going to have to take that bottom plate out. It looked very, very cool under there, I'm not gonna lie. Nice long flex cable. Pause. All right. Can't lie about this. This looks so cool. Yo, look at this, bro. I don't even want to take this apart, to be real, unless you pay me. I'm impressed. I am. I'm very much impressed. We got that HDMI, just looks, I'm not gonna lie, fantastic. Look at that, getting smart. We put a bracket around it, and that's what that screw went to. I love that. That's safety. So they're doing some cool things. Thanks again for the push in flex connections. Still forgot one. It's okay. Let it slide. A1 III, y'all will fix it. Y'all will fix it. Wow. Reinforced. I think this will be able to take a fall. I'm impressed. Wow, looks like they have a board or something going there. Man, I want to keep going. Should I keep going? We're going. This looks very intricate. Are we going further? Yeah, we are. Yeah, I'm not doing all this. Y'all, once I get an A1 II in for a shutter repair, then you'll be able to see. Let's put this thing back together. Ooh, the LCD flex sits all the way flush. Unlike its cousin, the A7 IV, where it just puts the tip in. Let's test it. We're on. The viewfinder works. We're good. Turn her off. Can't forget this screw that was under the bottom plate. This is frustrating. So we have to put this panel in first, the side panel in first, because it actually goes where that hidden screw is. So you have to put that in, then you can lay the back cover all the way in. Then you can successfully put that hidden screw right there, because that hidden screw is why, remember, I was doing this. Now we can attempt to assemble the bottom plate. Let's put all these 4 screws in. We got those in. Remember this screw for the bottom plate. go ahead and knock these guys out. Diopter time. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave your boy a comment. That was inside Sony A1 II. Overall, 8.2. Solid. Very cool internals. Get rid of the C5 button. Jesus. Kudos to Sony. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm